third choice, Wild Monashi. Slide choice, couple entry number 2, B-Boys Girl, and 2A Jen Balls. Anytime now, race number 3. Away they go. Talisman from the outside, Jen Bolts. Wild Monashi moving up by the rails. Red Warrior. Phantom Cookie on the outside is Adamas. B-Boys Girl rushing up. Wow, Jassy, My Champ, and Fanfare is running at the tail of the field. Talisman by Anek, followed by entry number 7, Wild Monashi in second. Adamas, Jen Bolts also rushing up. And inside the last 700, Talisman, Jen Bolts racing on the outside, pokes his nose. Jen Bolts, Talisman is running by the rail, while Monashi is running in third. Adamas is racing in fourth. Jen Bolts by about 2 lengths now. Talisman is running in second. Adamas and Wild Monashi dropping back in fourth position as they race the last 250. Jen Bolts by about 3 lengths. Talisman is running in second. Adamas entering the finish line. Better go down and collect for entry number 2, Jen Bolts. Adamas, Talisman, Wild Monashi, My Champ, Pentapecta.